Three good news for you. First of all, AR Facts Club welcomes you to the most interesting videos. Secondly, subscribe to our channel and never miss our single video. And lastly, you have a gift at the end of the video. Don't miss it. 10 people around the world you won't believe exist. Many people can stand for different talents. However, now we will discover some people with abnormal talents that made them unique. There was one small twist in this video. If you have noticed it, comment me below. Jesus Fajardo. This Mexican man surprised the world with his abnormal quality of excessive hair. And with this reason, he has a nickname, the Werewolf. However, with these characteristics, life became tough and no one was friendly with him. Because of bullying, he soon became an alcohol and drug addict and used to work for different circus companies. Due to the time, despite of his abnormal condition, he was not ashamed anymore about his condition. After leaving alcohol and forming a family, he said, "I am tired of feeling depressed and I have right to feel happy." Kim Goodman. If you are searching for a woman who could make your jaw drop, you can name this woman. Due to an accident with a hockey mask, she got an ability to pop her eyes out. This strange accident made her appear in TV shows and placed in world records. Paul Carson. The unique nature of this American is his blue color skin. Many people call him Papa Smurf as he closely resembles him. This strange condition is due to the misuse of medicine that results in intensive dermatization and reaction that gives him blue color skin. Valeria Lukinova. We have dreamed about most famous dolls in the world and same type of woman in real life. Dreams come true sometimes. Well, this Ukrainian woman made this possible. She greatly resembles a Barbie doll and was called the Human Barbie. Despite looking like a complete plastic girl, she said she had not met any surgery for her face. Instead, she said she had a special diet and daily routine at her home. Gary Turner. If you have ever imagined a rubber man, this British Gary Turner is your hero of reality. He suffered with a genetic disorder called Ehlers-Danlos, a syndrome which causes to stretch his skin. Despite of the pain, he enjoys his unique nature and always keeps his smile on his face. He awarded as the most elastic skinned person on the planet, as he can stretch his skin of stomach to 6.3 inches. Deepak Jangra. This young man shocks you with his shocking nature. His story started with an electric shock accident that increased the electric discharge in his body. He eventually increases the capacity to withstand higher voltages of electricity. It is up to 1000 volts that can kill anyone. Now he had become a famous electrician in his town. Sultan Kosen. We usually find someone tall, but in this case, it is not a joke. He is recognized as the tallest living person in the world according to the Guinness World Records. He was born in Turkey as a normal child. However, at the age of 10 years, due to the abnormal tumor in the pituitary gland, later it is known as a disease known as pituitary giant, he reached 8.8 feet height. Abby and Brittany Hensel. Here we can find two people who cannot be separable. Because of these two Siamese women were in a single body. Due to the malformation, they have two spinal columns, two lungs and two hearts. However, despite of the abnormality, they lead a very happy and joyful life. They work as a teacher and dictators, showing an example to overcome any challenge in life. Pakirappa Hunagundi. At the age of 10, Pakirappa Hunagundi developed an unusual desire to eat mud and rocks. Now, after over 20 years later, he preferred his delicious meals as stones over non-veg and vegetables. He said he can live without food, but he cannot live without eating foundation stones and muds of his house, which are his favorite meal. Chen Tuanzi. This woman born with a strange condition where she has her knees backward and cannot walk properly. Thus she was known as girl with inverted legs. However, this problem could not stop her to continue her studies, and due to the media recognition, she became popular and many organizations helped her surgery to make her walk normally. After 10 surgeries at 26 years of age, she was able to walk now. Abul Bajandar. This man is known as Tree Man because of his bark-shaped woods that sprout out from different parts of his body. This disease is known as epidermodysplasia verruciformis. It is extremely rare and only 4 cases have been documented. After many operations done to remove these woods, these have reappeared again. Thanks for watching, and your gift is from our channel. We are providing best offers for 17 imported dog breeds to all the pet lovers. Feel free to contact.